Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix share to Instagram not working in FaceApp. So if the FaceApp won't share to Instagram, it's usually not one single bug. It's a chain used between FaceApp. So your phone's share system to your Instagram. Okay, so here is how or the real fixes that actually solve that issue. So at first you'll need to make sure that Instagram shows in the share sheet, and that's very common. So sometimes Instagram just disappears from the iPhone share menu. So all you need to do is to go and tap on any picture or photo. So just go ahead, tap it. This is a screenshot right here, and then just go and tap on the three dots that's located at the top right next to save button, and then go with share, the second option on that menu. So here you will need to swipe until you can see Instagram, right? So then just tap it and share to it. So if Instagram isn't there, it's all you will need to install Instagram and reinstall it. Okay, also guys, I do really advise you to update both apps. So the outdated version or the outdated apps break sharing integration. So you will need to go and update the Face app, alright, and also Instagram, alright. So just go with the Apple App Store and look for Face app. Go ahead, tap it and tap on it once it's found. Then just go with updates if available. And also you will need to do the same with Instagram. So sharing features can stop working if apps are outdated or incompatible. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.